So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can use market structure and specific zones with liquidity, and how I enter the trade personally, my trading entries. Like, I'll just take anything. For example, I was just backtesting here. I'll remove everything. So what you have to do exactly, I'll just start the video now. So right now I'm just avoiding the pairs which have USD in them. So sometimes I'm trading on USD and ZDCHF. I took a trade recently. So how I analyze the market, like I'll tell you, I don't see any bias or something. That's simple, bro. It's literally so simple. See, since last 2 years, price is in bearish trend in NZDCHF. So here was to see, just open the part tool. See, price rally, base rally, like this correction, same correction, then bearish. Like this is how price is moving from last 2 years. So obviously we have to trade bearish. What happened recently? What recently happened? On daily time frame, price had turned the price had broken the structure. After break of structure, what do we expect? We want a correction. So right now the correction phase is going on. This is the correction phase which is going on right now. So on 4 hour, like I can't just show you what trade I took. When price was in this drop, I was waiting for a retracement. Like I was waiting when price will give a signal of retracement. So when price came, like it was dropping so fast, so impulsively it was dropping. It was breaking the low. So when price didn't break these candles, price at this point price didn't break this low and closed above. So this is my change of characters area. From here, if price will close above this, my price will change the character, the order flow will change. So price just swept the wick of this candle and close below. So we can mark this as a change of character. Some people do, some people do not, but I personally don't do this. So I want two confirmation. I will never trade after a small change of character. I want this to be get break. So here will be the break of structure, then the internal structure will get bullish. What does it means by internal structure? The video will get so long if I'll start explaining about the internal. So the basic is like you have to look for swings. Like here the breakup structure happened, this is the main breakup structure, so this is the swing, this is the high. So now from where the price is, like now price is in the range of this. Here is the range, this is the range, this is the daily range. So if price want to go above, if price want to go high, right now price is in internal structure. This will be the whole different video if I'll start explaining this, so better I'll just explain you the trade. So this is the internal structure we are trading right now, and I personally don't think that price will go bullish because from years the trend is bearish. So because the New Zealand dollar is stronger than franc, I think the Swiss franc, the reason the structure is bearish, I mean weak. So there was not a proper structure break over here, so I never traded here. So after that, what I see here is a change of character. After that, what I see here is internal breakout structure. Now guess what, we have to look for specific zones and liquidity. Now our structure is confirmed that pullback is going to happen. So I had marked this out, and then I marked this. This is my supply zone. Why this is the supply zone? Let me explain. This is higher time frame supply zone. I'm in demand. I'm at higher time frame demand zone. Why? Because it lead to the breakup structure. At this point, there are a lot of buyers which lead to this breakup structure, this internal breakup structure. So I will be trading on this higher time frame demand zone for sure. So data is not available right now of this structure hold. Like on 1 minute, I don't have premium subscription on my iPad, so I don't think it is available. So I'll just explain the different trade. I never traded after that trade. I only took that trade on 1 minute, and I secured 1:19 RR in that trade, and the specific trade is on the thumbnail too. So there is the line I have marked. How you can do this? So what I see here is every time price is making higher up, price is on internal bullish trend, and here is the last breakup structure which was happened. This is the last breakup structure. This is IBOS, and this breakup structure. So we'll just mark it this one properly. What lead to the IBOS? From where the movement came? You can just check anywhere that this is happening. This is the cause by which the structure has broke. At this point, the what we can say, at this point the big money stepped into the market, and just like I'll just explain you over here at this price how market moves first. So if I am trading bullish, so if price has done their breakup structure, what lead to breakup structure? This zone. Why? Because this caused this breakup structure. And how price moves? First price rallies, drop, base. This is the base, and then rally. Then when here is the unmitigated zone, which is not mitigated, and where the orders are placed, the limit order are placed. So when price will tap into this, it will again move above like that. That's the simple logic of that. So I'll just go into the chart again. So this is our zone which caused the breakup structure. This is not a specific zone can be anything. It can be the range, but for me I personally recommend the pivot candle. So I will just mark this out, but we can mark this whole range from this. Why? Because this is the base by which the structure shift was happened. If price would have failed to break this high, then it would have taken out this low. So it would have been a change of character. So everyone has different logic. This is mine though. So this is our zone, and now I'll go on 15-minute time frame. I'll mark out liquidity at 4 hour. So what I'll say you is mark the next zone. Like if we are trading in this demand zone, this is high time frame demand zone, then we have to mark out the high time frame supply zone which we gonna target, because that is the liquidity area. Or the swing we can target, both if we can. The swing is for liquidity and high time frame. I personally recommend, because this is not strong high time frame supply area, because this doesn't had any structure shift or something, and this is the strong high time frame demand, because it swept out this low from here. So liquidity was swept from here. The order will all triggered. The order which were remaining over here were triggered, and here is the inducement also. and I think I should not explain this all shit. So on 15 minute, what I see on 15 minute, what I see here is orders are getting built. So much money is over here. Why? There is so much of liquidity here which we can target. So when price swept this lows liquidity, we are waiting for a structure shift, literally only for a structure shift, a change of character. We want a change of character, basically a clean change of character. So what happened over here? Change of character was done at this price, and here the breakup structure was happened. So boss was done over here, and what we want, we gonna mark the zone which were created. This is the zone which led to the change of character and breakup structure. So price never came on this zone. So it's not on like we will always trade on zone. It doesn't matter, bro, until we are on higher time frame point of interest. This is the lower time frame point of interest of 15 minute, but we are at higher time frame point of interest, a 4-hour demand zone we are at, and this is only a 15-minute point of interest. So this doesn't matter and that much, because we gonna trade on 4-hour bias, not 15 minute. 15 minute is just a structure time frame. So liquidity was not swept here properly. IBOS was done, so this is our point of interest basically. And at 1 minute time frame, what I see here is I never buy trading premium subscription because I don't think that is worth. Because bro, I trade on live chart. Why I need other charts, like why? So what I see here is when price come near this area, but price come near, like there is a 1 pip difference, so will not count that out, because if you know the knowledge of pricing, so you'll understand, because price is already in discount area. This is our zone and price is already in discount area. So until price get fully, like price don't always have to go to your supply zone or demand any zones. If it is coming in discount and it is getting cheaper, already it is getting cheaper, so big money is interested to buy over there. There is no need of more liquidity, so it will not come to here. Till here prices are in discount and liquidity has been filled all, so after that it boosted. So I'll show you how. Don't always rely on the zones, sometimes it do, sometimes it not. You have to think like big money, how they think. So basically what here is, what I see here, I see when price stepped into the, when price stepped in near our zone, I want a change of character and internal structure to be, to get bullish. So here what I see is a change of character, and then again inducement was building over here, the liquidity, but I still do not see a break of structure. Here what I see a break of structure is, this is the internal break of structure. When price will have an internal break of structure, then it will be more validated. Right now price is in the range from here to here, this is a range, we don't know anything happening. Right after the IBOS happened and change of character happens, we got a confirmation, so we can mark the zone outs. Like we can mark this zone, this is our zone, obviously this is our lower time frame demand zone basically. So after the IBOS, I'm gonna re-enter on this zone. Why? Because it is not it is literally mitigated over here, but there is a lot of liquidity resting over here. This is the failure things. So we could have entered from this, like you can go short from here, your SL will be this. And what you have to target, you can target the 4 hour highs, which I already told in the video. The zone, the supply zone, I can target over here is this, and it literally TP was done. It was like everything was aligned. After everything got aligned, I took an entry. I didn't took any random entry or something. I properly analyzed it and I took my entry. So this was a trade. I haven't traded this, but this is how you can also trade in life with proper, like by proper analyzing, not doing random shits. So thank you for watching the video, guys. If you are interested in this sort of content, then you can subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.